Okay, so I'm gonna share a recipe that I like to make. And right here is like a bunch of mixed lentils. Ugh, I think there's some chia seeds in there, so I'll put some of that. Okay, some hot water. Okay, turn that on right here. So, okay, I'm gonna come in with some fenugreek seeds for some flavor. Gives a nice flavor. He seems to like these. These are some rosebuds for flavor. So they're beautiful too. They smell so good. A little bit of oatmeal. This is his oatmeal bluey. There it is. There's the oatmeal. A bit of coconut oil. Some dried, soft, and juicy strawberry. Okay, cover it up. And then I set the timer minutes. We'll do 7. It doesn't really matter. And drop your heat. All right, guys. It's all done. Put that. Come in with a little bit of this oat milk. Just pull it off this. And then let that cool just a bit.